Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about NOC codes for express entry of Canada, the details, their eligibility for express entry, and use in reference letters. All of this coming up. Hello friends, this is Shitanshu. Welcome to my channel Dream Abroad. If you want to immigrate to Canada or Australia without paying hefty fee to the consultants, please visit my channel. I've got many videos and many more are coming soon for you. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Okay, so some of you might not have any idea about it. So what is NOC code? NOC stands for National Occupational Classification. NOC system is used to classify jobs. And jobs are grouped based on the type of job duties and work that a person does. Each of them have been given a unique number which is called its NOC code. Jobs are mainly divided into 5 groups: skill type 0, skill type A, type B, type C, and skill type D. Skill type 0 are mainly management jobs such as restaurant managers, mine managers, shore captains, etc. Skill type A are the professional jobs that usually call for a degree such as doctors, dentists, engineers, architects, etc. Skill type B are the technical jobs and skilled trades that usually call for a college diploma or training as an apprentice, such as chefs, plumbers, electricians, etc. Skill type C are the intermediate jobs that usually call for high school and or job specific training such as industrial butchers, long haul truck drivers, food and beverage servers, etc. Skill type D are labor jobs that usually give the on-job trainings such as fruit pickers, cleaning staff, oil field workers, etc. Now these three skills, type 0, A and B, qualifies for express entry as a federal skilled worker or under federal skilled trades program or under Canadian Express Experience class. Now there are other visa programs such as Provincial Nomination Program, which is called PNP, Atlantic Immigration Pilot, or even a temporary work permit. So all the skill types can apply for PNP programs. All skill types except type D can apply for Atlantic Immigration Pilot Program. Type C and Type D cannot apply for express entry programs, but they can definitely apply for the temporary work permits, which is valid for 2 years, but they won't get the permanent resident status. Okay, having said that, now let's see how you can search for NOC code which match your job duties and skill set. Alright, so we are here in the official website of Government of Canada, and this is the NOC page. This link I'll provide in the description box below. So if you just scroll down here, you'll find a list of the NOC codes mentioned over here. The titles are also mentioned, and the skill level is also mentioned here. So these are all skill 0 in the starting. If you just go ahead, you'll find skill A, probably you'll find skill B as well. And going ahead, you'll find skill C and skill D's as well. So I'll just search here for a particular skill level. Let's say if you are a software engineer, so you search for a software engineer here. Like this one is software engineers. You just check this one. This one might be like information system analyst and consultant. This is also related, so you can go on this one as well. So like all these ones are related to software, so you definitely need to spend some time over it. You need to analyze it, which one is matching your roles and responsibilities. So if you just go in here, you'll find that the details are given here, like the main duties are given here. Similarly, if you go in this one here, you'll find that the here the example titles are given. So you might have these titles in your to your job where you're doing. So these kind of duties here are given. So your job duties are needs to be similar to these ones here. Similarly, if you just check over here, there's a similar one for web designers and developers. So there might be a difference in the job duties in with this one. So it might your job duties might match with this one, just like this. If you just come to this exclusions section over here, you'll find that this just like database analyst and administrators, this 2172. This is given over here. So uh, it might be your jobs and duties, if they don't match over there, it might be matching with these ones. So you just have to check. Actually, this was just an example again. So you just need to check the jobs duties, your titles, the job title. So this was something that I thought I should show you, so that you have a better understanding of how to search your NOC codes. Okay, now let's talk about the use of NOC codes in reference letters. The roles and responsibilities described in the reference letter should match closely with those of the NOC code. Now, when I say match closely, it means that it should match closely, but it should not be the exact wordings. They should differ a bit. You must show that you did the duties set out in the occupational description in the NOC. This includes all the main duties listed. If you don't show that your experience meets the description in the NOC, CIC will not accept your application. So please be extra careful about it. So this was it. I hope the information provided in this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries or doubts, please comment in the comment section below. I would also love to hear the feedback from you. Please like and share this video, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you.